Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim, back again with another great amazing game testing of our build here. So something which is so great about this video today, it's all about, as you guys know, the part one we showcased how we can build the machine. The second part, we combine everything together. We got equipment from SMK Solutions and we toss in on the machine. And the third thing is all about we test things on this kind of machine. So guys, on this kind of Ryzen processor which I have here, it comes with an inbuilt graphics card. So if you're out there and you didn't purchase a graphics card like me, because I have an older graphics card but I don't want to toss it in, I just wanted something refreshed. That's why I ordered another kind of graphic card which is more powerful to just keep it up and running. Another kind of stuff which I was just given a hint, if you are using a processor of AMD, try to get a graphic card which goes with AMD. I mean, there is Nvidia, but there is another AMD type of graphics card which is decent, but it's like the ecosystem. Try to go with, if you're going with AMD, go with an AMD graphics card. That's what I mean. So it's really kind of dope and amazing if you try to hook them up together and they work seamless. Another kind of stuff, it's all about trying games. So we're gonna game on this kind of processor without no kind of GPU installed. We're using inbuilt graphics card from the processor which comes with it, which is a Vega, which is AMD Vega. That's what's up. So for further talking or further ado, let's get started with our video. So guys, our first game, I'll be testing out the WRC. So to see how much it sparks mostly, that's the dope game which S-Sign select. Playing on low resolution. Nice. The thing about controlling, it's like, I don't know. Right now we are at let me see, the FPS, we're having only 11 FPS, which is insane. It's supposed to push more, and the car feels like it's a bit laggy. Not that much. 13 FPS, not bad. I think it's my controls, but I think it's my controls a bit. It's pushing out way more out there. Hey, there we're having it. We can see we're having an FPS of 21. It's keeping on dropping up to 11. Let's see what's happening. For that first glance, we can see how it performs. Textures, they're looking great. It's medium, as you can see. Okay, there's kind of like lagness and it's really kind of annoying. It's supposed to be light a bit. It feels really heavy. For right now, we're gonna test out another kind of mode which is called the high mode. Okay, right now we're dropping FPS up to 8. You can see now from this kind of side, the game is not playable 100%. You cannot play the game like this way. You just find it's bugging. Okay, now I'm gonna share with you guys something. I won't play on ultra. Why? Because it won't be playable. You have seen it up to on the high. Now I want you guys to reduce it if you have it. Let's go to low, right? And on the low, you can see there is shadow quality, like. Just keep it off. Okay, getting started. We're having 16 to 15 FPS. Okay, now it's playable, to be honest. But the drifting and stuff. Stay on track. Nice. Now it's playable. Trust me, guys, it's playable. We're having up to 16 FPS, which is quite not bad. It's really playable. You can see it's really playable 100%. Okay guys, here's the thing. If you want to play your games in an inbuilt-in graphics card from the processor, just know that you're supposed to play on the low end of your spec. If you don't keep it high when it comes to the video side, just try to tweak things up, those kind of texture, the shadows and stuff like that. Try to keep them off at all, just off if you want to play by using the graphics card from the processor. But if you get like an NVIDIA or an AMD graphics card which you can toss in on your machine, well, you can play up to ultra mode, which it will be much robust to the performance. So another kind of game we're gonna try it out. It's called the Nickelodeon racing game. Now this is just an kind of cartoonish gaming, but we're gonna see how much it's gonna keep up, you know. So up to now we're having 60 up to 50 FPS, and that's just on the menu. Getting started, as you can see, just like that. Perfect. Nice. So on this kind of game, you can see we are having like FPS of 45, which is really kind of playable. It's not really, it's playable 100%. With this kind of FPS, it's really dope. It's really awesome. You can see how much it's playable. We're having 43 FPS, which is really cool. You can see there. So guys, as you can see that on that kind of Nickelodeon racing game, it just goes all the way up to 50 FPS, which is really robust and it's playable, and you can even play multiplayer on this kind of game. So on this kind of graphics card, it depends with what type of game you're trying to push it. If you're pushing that kind of intensive game and it has too much of stuff, it will really slow down a bit. Will slow down. You have to tweak around the setting side to give you a certain kind of thing you want throughout that kind of game. These are the type of gaming which I just wanted to share with you guys and see how much the processor inbuilt graphics card is performing. So you'll be having like an option for your own kind of self for selecting which type of graphics card of processor you would like. For this kind of Ryzen processor, to be honest, with the graphics card coming with it and built in, it's really kind of dope because it gives you all those kind of needs which you like to get started if you don't have a graphics card with you. Like me, I have an older graphics card, but I don't want to keep it, and I just wanted something a little bit different, refreshing, to give me more kind of moves. So I'll purchased the graphics card, but this one is from NVIDIA, which is a 6 GB, and we're gonna just keep it on the machine and see how much it's gonna perform. So it'll be on the next video. I'll be tossing it, not right now. So for now, we are closed up with this kind of topic. So jumping to the conclusion, you guys have seen by your own self that you'll be needing a graphics card to push these games. You don't need only the CPU and stuff like that, which comes with an inbuilt, if it comes with an inbuilt graphics card. But if it doesn't, well, still you'll be needing a graphics card to push these kind of games, to push your workflows. But to be honest, when it comes to video rendering, it's robust. I've rendered yesterday a video which we have uploaded on YouTube, and it took for almost like 20 minutes, which if I was using on this kind of machine here, it takes for almost 2 hours or sometimes 3 hours. It's slow on render, but this machine, it beats up timing, which is perfect, which we need to beat the time so as things can be much more and much better on smoothing things. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, and last but not least, I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative, and we are about to go to that kind of 3.1k subscribers. If you consider that, it will be much awesome, and that kind of stuff. Yeah, check you guys on the next one, and kudos guys, peace.